St Stephen's Church was opened in 1881. It's built on a loose rock foundation, built in a pyramid shape, opening out to a wide base and narrowing down to support the walls. Over time, on the eastern side of the building, there has been some subsidence, measuring about 50 mil in the front of the building and tapering off as we go higher up the allotment. And the restoration work involves ingesting foam through two pipes, mixing it at the nozzle to form a hard plastic that fills all the voids in the foundation rock and gradually expands to help lift the building and close up the cracks and return the building to its original position. The work is fairly exacting in as much as you need to continually measure the change in height so that you don't overdo it and crack the building with too much foam or something like that. But it seems to be going very well. They're expert people and we expect a successful outcome of the job.